Hey everyone, welcome back to NomadFusion. Today, I'm taking you along to a really peaceful spot, Dongmak Beach in Ganghwa. It's almost evening now, and the whole place has this calm, golden glow. The kind of vibe that makes you want to slow down, breathe deep, and just be. You know, there's something really calming about just walking by the water like this. No rush, no noise, just the sound of waves, birds calling from a distance, and your own footsteps in the sand. Every few steps I paused. Just to look out at the horizon. It's funny how when you're by the sea, you don't need music or even words. The ocean kind of speaks for itself. I noticed these tiny shells scattered everywhere. Some half buried in the wet sand. Each one has a story, probably. Carried here by the tides. Left behind by the waves. Like little secrets of the sea. A few locals passed by, quiet, just like me. Some were fishing, others just strolling like they've done it 100 times. It felt like I was stepping into their everyday peace. Not as a tourist, but just another human enjoying the moment. And the sky. Oh man, the way the colors shift this late in the day. Soft orange blending into blue. Clouds slowly fading into dusk. If you're someone who loves sunsets, Dongmak doesn't disappoint. I didn't expect to make new friends today. But look at these birds. They showed up out of nowhere, super curious, and maybe a little hungry. I had a few snacks, and before I knew it, I was surrounded. Some were bold, some shy, but they all had their own personality. This moment? Totally unplanned, and totally magical. I don't know what it is about feeding birds, but it kinda makes you feel connected, to nature, to the place, even to yourself. Just standing there, hearing the soft waves and all these wings fluttering around. Man, it's peaceful. If you're ever feeling stressed, trust me, try something like this. At one point I stopped filming, just to breathe it in. That warm salty air, the distant sound of seagulls, and the feeling of sand between your toes. Sometimes the best moments happen off camera. I know not every beach feels like this. Some are crowded, noisy, full of distractions. But here, you get space. You get stillness. You get to listen to your own thoughts. Or let them go completely. Even the birds seemed more relaxed here. They weren't flying in panic or begging for food. They were just existing. Landing, pecking, flapping off into the sky. Like they'd done it a million evenings before. It made me think. We chase so much in life, goals, deadlines, big moments. But places like this remind you to slow down, to appreciate the small things. Like a cool breeze, the glow of twilight, or a simple walk by the sea. After a while, I started walking again. Just letting the sound of the ocean guide my steps. The beach here isn't packed with tourists or loud music. It's quiet, soft, slow. Perfect for clearing your head. And when that breeze hits your face, with the sunset behind the clouds, you can't help but smile. As the sun started sinking lower, the whole beach changed color. The water turned silver, the sky went pastel. Like something out of a painting. Even the birds flew differently, as if they knew the day was ending. It's these little moments that remind me why I love traveling. I didn't come here with a plan. No bucket list, no checklist, just vibes. And sometimes, those are the best kind of days. Walking along this beach, watching the tide come in slowly. I realized peace doesn't have to be far. Sometimes, it's right under your feet. By now, the air was cooler. The birds had mostly gone. And the beach felt like it was tucking itself in for the night. There's something really special about places like this. They don't try to impress you. They just are. And that's enough. Thanks for joining me on this quiet, beautiful walk at Dongmak Beach. If you ever find yourself in Ganghwa, make time to come here in the evening. Bring some snacks, for the birds, and maybe yourself too. Don't forget to like, share, and hit subscribe if you felt the vibe today. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind. Catch you in the next one.